This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Samsung and locating settings. This is crucial because vibration controls live there. Once done, swipe down and tap the gear icon or open the app drawer and search settings. Make sure you're on the main settings screen so you can access sounds and vibration quickly. If your phone asks for authentication, complete it. This prevents accidental changes. This step gets you straight to the controls you need without extra navigation or guesswork. Once in settings, tap sounds and vibration to reveal vibration options. This groups all tactile feedback controls. Scroll to vibration intensity to adjust call, notification, and touch feedback separately. Change sliders to feel differences immediately. Next, check ringtone and notification vibration patterns to pick a pattern that suits you, and toggle system vibration for keyboard or touch feedback. Make incremental changes, so you finish by testing vibration. Send a message or use any built-in test vibration option to confirm settings took effect. If nothing happens, restart the phone to reset drivers and services, because that often fixes software glitches. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb or silent modes aren't blocking haptics, and review accessibility settings for vibration overrides. If vibration still fails after those steps, consider safe mode or a quick diagnostic via Samsung members. That helps isolate hardware from software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.